Breach of trust, fiduciary violations in legal and equitable contexts. 1. Trust law foundations and judicial presumptions. Within most United States courtrooms, individuals are frequently presumed to be the acting trustees over property unless explicitly rebutted. When an individual fails to discharge fiduciary duties, whether through omission, negligence, or willful misconduct, a breach of trust arises. Under equity, trustees are personally liable for damages and must account for both direct losses and ill-gotten profits. Notably, these duties derive from foundational principles of fiduciary law which compel the trustee to act in the best interest of the trust. 2. Legal fictions, commercial identity, and presumed trusteeship. A critical implication arises when an individual unknowingly claims the identity of a government-issued legal fiction, such as a name appearing in all capital letters on identification documents. Doing so creates a presumption that the individual is acting as trustee over government property. By adopting the role of this artificial commercial entity, the individual becomes contractually liable for its obligations. To avoid presumptive liability, one must disavow ownership of the legal fiction and return the claim to the originating jurisdiction. 3. Fiduciary liability and equitable remedies. Under both historical and modern jurisprudence, fiduciary breaches result in personal liability. According to Black's Law Dictionary, 8th ed., a breach of trust occurs when a trustee violates either the explicit terms of a trust or fiduciary obligations imposed by equity. Whether such violation is negligent, intentional, or inadvertent, the trustee may be subject to removal and compelled to make restitution. Courts may also order disgorgement of any profit realized from the breach, even if the trust corpus itself did not suffer a net loss. 4. Historical common law interpretations of breach. Bouvier's 1856 dictionary distinguishes breach of trust from larceny by analyzing the origin of the possession. If property is lawfully delivered for a specific use but subsequently misappropriated, the act is characterized as breach of trust. However, if possession is obtained by fraud with intent to convert, the conduct may rise to the level of felony. Such distinctions have been debated since at least the 15th century, as evidenced in yearbook commentaries and case law such as 15S and R. 93, and 21H. 7. 14. This jurisprudential evolution continues to inform fiduciary litigation and equitable relief to this day.